Part 1. Installation. This video will show you how to install and operate the Kiaro RW5 label rewinder. Before you can start rewinding your labels, you'll need to set up the label rewinder so that it mates to your Kiaro inkjet label printer. First, assemble the 3 brackets by connecting baseplate R to baseplate U, and then connect bracket RU using the supplied thumb nuts. Then connect the label rewinder to bracket RU using the supplied screws. Finally, get a friend to help you gently lower the Kiaro label printer onto your work surface so that the front side is facing the rewinder. Make sure not to tip the Kiaro, keeping it level while you place it on the connected brackets. When the Kiaro is set, plug in both the Kiaro label printer and RW5 label rewinder. Now you're ready to rewind your labels. Part 2. How to rewind your labels. Begin with the rewinder powered on, but in the off position, connected to the Kiaro label printer. Send a print job to your Kiaro. When the labels start emerging from the printer and advance beyond the rewinder, press pause. Next, remove the outer flange and load any empty label core onto the rewinder, making sure to use an empty label core of the same width as the labels you'll be printing. Next, feed the labels under the rewinder's dancer arm and around the empty label core. Fasten with tape, making sure that the printed side of the labels faces out. Once the label is attached to the core, reinstall the outer flange and turn the power switch on the rewinder to the on position. Then resume the print job on the Kiaro label printer. The rewinder will now automatically rewind your labels with the dancer arm in a lowered position. There's no need to turn the mandrel by hand, and doing so could cause damage, so please don't do that. Don't worry, the rewinder will stop itself when the printer stops advancing media or when the printer is out of media. You may need to make occasional adjustments to the rewinder in order to properly wind your labels. There are 2 ways to do this. Either by sliding the brackets horizontally to better align the rewinder with the Kiaro printer, or by moving the collar of the dancer arm to adjust the positioning of the labels. Once your rewinder is positioned correctly, you'll enjoy easy automated label rewinding with your Kiaro and the RW5.